The second problem which we have is a very interesting and a very important problem because it involves the concept of Rolle's concept. We are given with the function fx equals 51 into x power 101 minus 2323 into x power 100 minus 45x plus 1035, and we need to prove that fx has at least one root present in the given interval of 45 power 1 upon 100 and 246. Now in order to proceed with this problem, we know what a Rolle's concept is. Rolle's concept says that if there is a function continuous in a to b, first point, differentiable in a to b, open interval, and such that f of a is equal to f of b, then there exists at least one is the important part, at least one x equals c in a to b, such that the differentiation value of the function at x equals c is equal to 0, that is f dash c equals 0. We can very clearly see if this is a, this is b, this is f of a, and we have the value of f of a is equal to f of b. So in order to reach from here to here, we have to at least one time have f dash c equals 0. No matter how we reach from a to b, we got to have at least once a point where the value of f dash c is equal to 0. So this is one of the questions in which Rolle's concept is used. This is a very important concept. So in order to proceed with this problem, we consider a capital Fx function such that capital Fx is equal to integration of fx, which is equal to 51 x power 102 upon 102 minus 2323 x power 101 upon 101 minus 45 x square by 2 plus 1035 x plus c. We have assumed fx to be integration of small fx given because we need to prove that fx has at least one root in this interval, that is there exists at least one c in this such that fc is equal to 0, and in Rolle's theorem we know that we will get the final result as f dash c equals 0. So this fc or the value or the function fx should be the differentiation of some other function. So this capital Fx, the differentiation of this function is small fx. So we assume capital Fx is equal to integration of fx. Now we have to check the values or the values of the function capital Fx at x equals this and x equals this. So putting x equals 45 power 1 upon 100, we get 1 by 2 times 45 power 102 by 100 minus 23 times 45 power 101 upon 100 minus 45 by 2 into 45 power 1 upon 100, or rather 2 upon 100 plus 1035 times 45 power 1 upon 100 plus c. Now this gets cancelled out with this. 23 into 45 is 1035. So this gets cancelled out with this. So we get the function's value at x equals 45 power 1 upon 100 is equal to c. Similarly, we try to find out the value of the function capital Fx at x equals 46. On solving, f of 46 comes out to be equal to c. Now f of a is equal to f of b. Capital Fx is a continuous and a differentiable function. So by Rolle's concept, there exists at least one x equal to lambda in the given range of 45 power 1 upon 100 to 46, such that f dash of lambda is equal to 0. This we wrote using the Rolle's concept. Now we know that f of x is equal to integration of small fx. So f dash x will be equal to fx. F dash lambda will be equal to f of lambda. It should be equal to 0 at least once in the given interval. So we have got f of x has at least one root in the given interval of 45 power 1 upon 100 to 46. This was the desired result we needed to prove. In this question, we learned the important Rolle's concept, which would be very useful in the forthcoming chapters.